In this lesson, we will focus on the question, who was responsible for what happened in Annapolis in 1774 when a merchant tried to import tea from Britain? On October 15, 1774, Anthony Stewart and his father-in-law, James Dick, anchored the Peggy Stewart in Annapolis Harbor. Stewart had imported tea from Britain for an Annapolis merchant named Thomas C. Williams. Stewart paid taxes on the tea in violation of the non-importation resolution that had been established in Maryland. He hoped that by paying the tax, the tea would be delivered in Annapolis. When word got out that he had imported tea after the Tea Act of 1773, there was a demonstration opposing Stewart's actions. Then on October 19, 1774, a public meeting was held to determine what would happen to the tea that was being held aboard the Peggy Stewart. A committee determined the men involved could write a public apology and then burn the tea. The committee had hoped for a peaceful resolution. However, Marylanders Rezin Hammond and Charles Ridgely gathered an angry crowd at Annapolis Harbor. The crowd refused to accept the committee's resolution and considered a punishment of tarring and feathering Stewart. The mob ultimately demanded that Stewart burn his ship with all of the cargo aboard. Stewart feared for his safety and the safety of his family and property, so he agreed that he would burn the Peggy Stewart. After some time, Stewart and his family moved back to England. The burning of the Peggy Stewart ultimately led Marylanders to be more supportive of the resistance movement, and it made it clear that crowd action was a powerful tool in America's resistance to Britain's monopoly on trade.